na sa story we eba Seidu Saana, a midfielder of Aduana Stars to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Facts nene say me de inchechemu no ebrew ewo the Royal Super 24 TV no so. Seidu Saana o guys say Kotoko ni Aduana Baba Yara Sports Stadium but ball short to be Emma pull up by or your midfielder. Na enumere from very credible sources. HSA. The news actually is that Asante Kotoko has entered the race to sign Seidu Saana. Now, me person me go much into details. The whole story in the city, and I me deba. Me want me reservations with regards to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Players are Kotoko be here. It looks as if say the kind of players are Kotoko. I'm out for the link your money news about Bontini. Most of them are midfielders and. To be reckoned, Kotoko doesn't need a midfielder. I just say maybe agenda tier player be someone in Kotoko. Player or a midfielder. And the player be I was a biko. I was a biko no crave akupe. Because we have a midfield of Hubert Joe, we have Hilary Adabo, we have this guy Philip Amu, we have Walid Nima Fuseni, we have Emmanuel Entry, we have Saka Dauda, we have Inusa Adams. They are all there for Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the midfield. Now, the list goes on and on. We have Prince Badu. Because me come around here, but story in the way it's me story free that Kotoko player about Kotoko player about Kotoko no. I'm being very careful because me name currently Kotoko coach in my Kotoko technical director ne oho. Enti sa way back Kotoko no. Meme sources nso chem say enye Kotoko na eye some moves no enkofo bi na titi ba bi na o makeka nyoma asi ani e na o mode sa stories no eba bonti nemu menga zanya no kre ewie story we sabai na me ye ko na mebusa e na o moka chem say Kotoko negotiations a sha ase mpanyifo no ye the video a kire o mo place ni video na me say bu mi nana nti o maka chem say negotiations ni player Kotoko pewe no omu videos ene dey akire technical director nti me dey mate no a de ebre wo fi player ya midfielder Seidu Saana e nyina anim no na dey tell say Kotoko enter the race to sign him but what I say Asante Kotoko enter the race to sign him and yes Kotoko sign no aduana for no person omo extending the contract no and as gold and so the offer Abre no se omope no ena Kotoko nso shown interest in Seidu Saana. So this is the whole story Super 24 TV me ma be enche story hu asem ne ba pa na obia enya ne bre e de akoye na ade join ne WhatsApp me na me fa unto so share video e ko Kotoko WhatsApp group no ne sports groups be e